Hi, everybody. We are here for week 3, lesson 1. So we are going to be reading chapter 3 in our story about the amusement parks. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to review some of our old vocab, and then we're going to get into our new vocabulary. And we're going to read the story and answer some questions. Okay, so let's get started. So to answer our vocabulary questions and all of the questions, you can answer however you prefer. You can annotate on your screen. You can say your answer. You can point to your answer. Or you can print this out and you can circle your answer, whatever you want to do. And as always, if I am moving a little bit too quickly, just feel free to stop the video when I ask a question so you have more time to answer. And you can always go back and listen to it again. Okay, so number 1, to move quickly. What do you think it means to move quickly? Does that mean fast, up, or turn? Number 2, higher or towards the sky. Is that up, move, or slow? Number 3, lower or towards the ground. Does that mean around, move, or down? Number 4, moving in a circle. So what does it mean to move in a circle? Around, move, or down? Number 5, taking a long time to move. Do you think our word is up, turn, or slow? Number 6, the measure of how fast or slow something is going. Is that speed, choose, or slow? Number 7, to go from place to place. So to go from place to place, does that mean around, move, or down? So a lot of these are a review. Number 8, a push or a pull that changes how an object moves. Is that fun, force, or slow? Number 9, to move something away from you. Do you think push, choose, or slow? Number 10, to move an object towards something. Do we think it's choose, pull, or scared? Okay, number 11, a force that pulls everything towards the ground. Do we think that's gravity, choose, or slow? Number 12, last one. Yeah, last one. To move a different direction. What do you think? Turn, move, or down? Okay, so those are our vocab words, some new and some a review. Now let's move on to our focus question. What do we think pulls a roller coaster down a hill? Do we think a rope pulls a roller coaster down a hill? or do we think gravity pulls a roller coaster down a hill? Okay, now we're going to get into our story. Chapter 3, Gravity on a Roller Coaster. The family walks to the roller coasters. The roller coasters have big turns and loops. They have big hills. Okay, so with this one, we're going to draw a line from the roller coaster to the words that describe a roller coaster. Okay, so if you want to annotate, you can draw a line, or you can say your answers or point to your answers for this one. So think of a roller coaster car. How does it move? Or how can we describe it? Does a roller coaster move on a hill? Family, loop, object, or turn? Hint, hint, there are 3 correct answers. Okay, moving on. A force is a push or a pull. Forces make roller coaster cars move. Roller coaster cars can be pulled and pushed. So what makes a roller coaster car move? Hint, hint, it's a vocab word. What do we think? Force, people, or loop? Okay. Roller coaster cars can be pulled up a hill. The roller coaster cars are pulled by a chain. The chain moves them slowly up the hill. So on this page, the roller coaster pulls and it moves slowly. Here's our symbols for some of our vocab words. So how do these roller coasters move up a hill? Loop, chain, or people? Gravity is a force. Gravity pulls people and objects down to the ground. Gravity pulls roller coaster cars down a hill. Okay, so this roller coaster pulls down because of gravity. Okay, so what does gravity pull roller coasters down? Does gravity pull roller coasters down hills, loops, or turns? Okay, next one. Roller coaster cars are pulled to the top of a hill. Then gravity starts to pull them down the hill. The roller coaster cars start moving faster. They move very fast at the bottom of the hill. So what happens to these roller coasters at the bottom of the hills? Do they move fast, magnet, or gravity? Magnets can pull or push other objects. A magnet can pull a paper clip to it. A magnet can push another magnet away. Roller coaster cars can use magnets to move. That's pretty cool, I think. Okay, so what can these magnets do to a roller coaster? Can they push, magnet, or gravity? What do we think? And if you need to go back and read again, go ahead. You can rewind it, listen to it again, read again, whatever you have to do. Okay, next. A roller coaster track can have magnets. They help the roller coaster cars move. Magnets help the roller coaster cars go fast and slow. Magnets help the roller coaster cars turn and stop. Okay, so here's one of those other questions again. So we need to draw lines from the magnet to the words that show what a magnet can do to a roller coaster. I think there are 4 there are 4 correct answers. So you can say your answers, point to them, circle them, or draw a line. What describes a magnet? What does a magnet do? 4 things. Okay. Roller coaster cars can move up and down. Roller coaster cars move slow and fast. Gravity helps roller coaster cars move. Next, the family will go to the Ferris wheel. That sounds fun. Okay, so what helps these roller coaster cars move? Fast, magnet, or gravity? All right, that is it, my friends. Great job, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye everybody.